Belt transmission separator CX7. This is a presentation that I have done in order to clarify some key points and some details of the separator. Of course, we are talking about technical specification and technical area, because we are really proud about this separator, and we are really proud to present on the market the separator that we have done. Firstly, the new generation, as we said before, the main important topic is the belt drive transmission. Now we can see a cross-section of the separator itself. As I say, it's belt transmission drive, so means that we have a belt to transmit the speed. We introduced the valve line discharge system. The valve line are the very high efficiency system to discharge the solid from inside. With this side that we designed from the beginning, we have a very high G-force. We reach up to 12,000 G-force on the external periphery of the ball. This means that we can really remove every single part in the separator. The vertical transmission with cartridge extraction for an easy and simple maintenance. What does it mean? Does it mean that we have this part that in the presentation is indicated in red side that we can remove completely assembled from the separator? We have no to do any people goes on the back, on the underground, and become crazy to remove it and to make maintenance. As we say, it is a very simple and easy way to make maintenance. At the same time, we introduce the self-bearing lubrication system. What does it mean? Does it mean that we have a tank of oil specific with some level sensor that until the separator is running, the oil lubrication is always warranted. At the same time, we have a cooling system to keep this temperature down. Is a cooling system by air, not of course by external system, and a level sensor to maintain and to warranty that the oil is always present in the separator. The balls are designed in-house using the most advanced technology that we have. The FEM calculation, the structural calculation, every single part was calculated with the ANSYS, with SolidWorks, with the most common and famous software that we have in our company. Of course, as Polat, we decide to use the high quality of the material as duplex, as super duplex, as super martensitic stainless steel, and the thickness of this one are related, of course, to this kind of material to warranty high stability, high G-force, low vibration, high resistance, and also very high resistance to the corrosion that can derive or can we have from SIP system or from such kind of acid solution for cleaning. All the rest of the part touched with the separator are in stainless steel 304 or 316. We can do, of course, such kind of different material. In any case, is the process is request from the process to have very special stainless steel. We balance the ball of separator in low and high speed. This is a key point to maintain the vibration very low. As you know, the vibration is a key point in separators, so is the main safety guard that we use. And we want to be sure to warranty always the safety for all the users that are using, of course, the separator. The frame is in cast iron and stainless steel cladded, of course, in food grade for food grade. The vertical motor is used and controlled through the frequency converter. This warranty many other safety reasons, and also can, together with the flat belt transmission, reduce the cost for using the separator due to the fact that we reduce approximately 15-20% the power consumption compared to the same size in gear transmission. Another important point is that our separators design, especially the vertical spindle system, is free. So we have no affixator, we have no the final bearing system. This means that when we have to do some such kind of maintenance or service, we have not to work a lot on this. It's very simplified the procedure to replace some parts during the years on the mechanical transmission. We have an inspection door for the pulley, of course, very simplified. This is one of the key points that we talked also before. The stainless steel vertical shaft is one cartridge alone with the auto lubrication system for the bearing. That is one of the most important things to permit 24 hours and 365 days per year and hours course per day. In this way, we include the level sensor for always warranty the perfect lubrication system and the side glass to provide with physically eyes to check inside the separator if the oil level is okay. To explain the detail of separation, what's happening inside of the separator. Of course, the technology that we are presenting is for dairy and for all the process that they are involved in dairy. From temperature that is almost 4 degrees to 50, 55, maybe also to 60 degrees in such kind of application as bacteriophagation or something like that. Here, a cross section of the separator is in revolution, that is in running. The product inlet goes from the top is full fill the separator. The product is a mix between cream and of course milk with some dirty particle inside. Here you can see the two different phases, skimmed milk and cream, and the way that they are going through the separator. In the meantime, the solids was accumulated on the periphery of the holding space, and through a system with a valve line that we create as new, we have this way to discharge from inside of the separator. This way we remove all the solid particle and we obtain the two different phases and the evacuation from the bowl through the centrifugal pump in pressure. The two phases are skimmed milk and cream concentrate. The efficiency of this kind of separator is less than 0.05% fat in skimmed milk, and the cream can be reached almost 70% of concentration. So this is our new technology. This is our belt drive separation, new separators generation. If you like it, if you want, we can support where you want in all the world. You can meet our sales team in Turkish Aydın, in Istanbul, in Italy, where we have an office, we can support you. Come with us, of course, you can trust in Poland.